Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry, where we send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Let's look at the dollar yen. And we got in this trade at 94.10. We've been in this trade for quite a bit, and here's what I'm looking at. I don't like on this weekly chart how we've had some serious pull down on the yen cross pairs. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on the yen. Things have been up and down. What they're going to do over there, and I do see that we had a drop down for a couple of days, and then a doji last week, which means the price is at equilibrium, and we're looking at the buyers and the sellers have had equal pressure. When you see a doji sign like this, a lot of times what that is the end of whatever the trend started over the last few candles. We're seeing a reversal of that. So I do like that the fact that this doji has closed like this. It's just showing that the downward pressure may be over. We could see a nice push up, I don't know. We're expecting this trade to run up. I think in the right up in this peak here, 9,600 range. I think is where we are pulling out the rest of our profits on this trade. But again, we're up right now 24 pips. The market just opened, and the market's not really booming right now, but it is moving up. On the daily chart, you can see that it has created a nice strong base at 9,400, which I like. And so our stop loss is right down this range. I will be moving my stop up later today once I see this market start moving up. But what we see is we've had a nice run up. Just like any trade, it rarely just goes straight up. You always go up, go sideways a little bit. Up, you get a little bit of a pullback. Up, and a pullback. And what do we do in an uptrend? We buy the dips in an uptrend. Where's the dip? There's a dip. Up, dip. Goes up, went sideways, a dip. Great opportunity. When you see these major news announcements that cause the market to freak out, when you have a strong uptrend like that, great opportunity to buy when you see these things like this. In fact, this day, man, that was, I think we did buy when the market came down to that point, and we cleaned house over the next couple of days. I do believe that I sent that to my Pro Signals direct traders. I took it personally, but again, price has now formed a strong base at this 9,400 level. I love this, the way that is holding very, very well. Even though the market has been really sideways, it's been range bound between 9,400 and 9,500. In fact, more like 9,400 to 9,450. It's not really been moving much. It's kind of range bound. In fact, if I zoom this up and even closer, you can see it's been really ranging in between here. Cut that down to a 4-hour chart. You can see that when is this date here? Since the 11th, the price has been slowly but surely working down. But it is somewhat in a sideways movement. I'm expecting that we will get a little bit of a price run up. I like to look more of a long-term approach. 4-hour charts I really only use when I'm looking for shorter-term trade opportunities. When I'm looking more in the longer term, I'm looking more at this. Now, we have been seeing the market pulling down, but I do like this base. Worst case scenario, we're going to see price shoot up a little bit. We're going to close out some profits on that trade, lock it in, and then we'll see what happens on the rest of the trade. But zoomed in this weekly chart, daily chart again, we could be looking at a potential reversal here as well. So what we don't know, and you never know, hindsight is always 20/20 when it's trading. That's one thing a lot of traders don't know. And it's one thing we deal with over at this business. You know, we get a lot of new customers. They try out for a week, and tell us. We get all kinds of nasty emails. If we have one losing trade, especially from customers don't even have a paid subscription, telling us our trades suck. They didn't even see the month before, like this month so far. Our Pro Signals Direct have 34 winning trades, 6 losses. I mean, that's kick butt, guys. And you're not going to see a lot of services like that. However, you get a new customer, it signs up, and you have 2 losing trades in a row, they instantly think you suck. So anyway, the reality is we don't know until, give me 2 or 3 weeks, whether this pair was going up or we are looking at the market weakening right here. So this is one thing you have to be careful of. Again, trading is a business of probabilities. There is no guarantees. We are looking at the highest probabilities right now. So what I'm seeing is we have a strong base. As price starts moving up a little bit, I am going to lock in some profits very quickly to move my stop to break even, to protect myself from any downside risk on this trade. In fact, I'm doing that on all the yen pairs. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.